In this video, you will see how to copy table from ChatGPT to Canva like this. As you can see, I have this table in the ChatGPT and there are two ways to copy this table. In the first method, you can simply copy the table by selecting all the cells inside the table. Just right click, copy, go to the Canva and then paste the table. However, note that the formatting will be messed up. And the next method is when you click on the table, you will see the option of copy table. Just click on this option, go to the Canva sheet and then paste the table. In both the cases, the table formatting will be gone. So, you just need to click inside the table, then click here on this dot to select the entire table. You will see here this bar. From here we can edit the table. So, first we will fix the border of the table. As it is grey, we need to make it black, and to do that we need to click here on the borders option, and the first option is selected, that is all borders. Now, here this is the border color. We need to change it from grey to black or any other color if you want. I am selecting here black color. As you can see, the border color has changed, and if you want to make the border thick, you can use the border width option to increase or decrease the thickness of the border using this slider. You can also make the table border dotted or dashed like this if required, and you can entirely remove the border using this no border option. For this tutorial, I am selecting solid table border. Once done, you will need to center align this text inside this table, and to do that, click here on the alignment option, and when you see this symbol of center align, the text will be center aligned. Then click inside the Canva sheet, and that's how you can simply copy table from ChatGPT to Canva and edit the table properly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Canva quickly. See you again in the next one.